Let me show you how easy it is to sign on PDF on your Mac. So I just opened this PDF in the default preview app for Mac. Next, I will click here, the annotate tools. After you select this, you will get this tool panel. And you may notice there's a special tool for signatures. We can use trackpad on your MacBook, camera or iPhone. The camera is a really solid option. So I just need to show a piece of paper with the signature. Here it is. Now I click done, and every time I click here, the signature will be added, and I can revisit that. It's already saved. I don't need to show the paper anymore, and I can add my signature to a PDF without any worries. And that's the free default preview app on your MacBook. To save it, you just close it. And done. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.